If you're looking for your first new shell in Mortal Shell 2, Proxima is one of the earliest ones you can unlock, and getting her can make the early game a lot easier. Before you start, there's one important requirement. You need to have completed the prologue and reached Marrow Keep. Once you're at Marrow Keep, you can start the route to Proxima. From the Marrow Keep beacon, head up through the keep and make your way toward the top where you can launch into the open world. Once you're at the top, take the northern transporter. This will take you to Widow's Overlook beacon, which is where our route to Proxima really begins. From Widow's Overlook, start moving north, keep following the path until you reach the Blackridge Pass beacon. You can cleanse the Blackridge Pass beacon if you want to, but it's completely optional for unlocking Proxima. If you're only interested in getting the shell as quickly as possible, there's no reason to spend the extra time here. Instead, continue a little farther north. Then move toward the left side of the area. You're looking for an elevated section with a shattered beacon nearby. There will also be an enemy in this area, so deal with it if you need to, then head over to the shattered beacon. Once you find it, enter the shattered beacon and interact with the unknown shell. This will trigger a short cutscene, and after it finishes, you'll be given a series of choices that you need to make to complete Proxima's memory.
I had tracked it down.
First, choose Take the Offering. After that, select Use Biosampler on Stranger. Then choose Answer the Stranger. And finally, select Inform Merrick. Once you've completed the memory, exit the sequence and Proxima will be unlocked. You can immediately switch over to her and start using the shell. Proxima is particularly useful because her special ability works like a lightning lance. Against enemies that can be moved, you can use it to pull them toward Proxima. But when you're dealing with a larger enemy that can't be moved, the effect works in reverse, pulling Proxima toward the enemy instead. The ability also builds up lightning status on the target, giving you another way to deal with enemies during combat. Proxima also has a useful defensive ability. She has a 15% chance to mitigate incoming damage, cutting the damage from that hit by half and preventing stagger. So if you've just finished the prologue and want to add another shell to your options, Proxima is well worth picking up early. And remember, you don't need to cleanse the Blackridge Pass beacon to get her. Just continue past it, reach the shattered beacon, complete Proxima's memory, and she'll be available to use